Well, hello there. Welcome back to the ongoing saga of the installation of the Smith's electronic uh, speedometer. If you saw the previous videos, basically we hooked it up and it took one sweep and then jammed. It's still jammed down here at the bottom. And so it's still stuck. I talked to actually got a text from the company that makes the unit, and they suggested that I connect positive to green and negative to black, at which point the should sweep and reset itself, and it does not. I set up this little test here, and this is my shop battery, and by turning it on here, like so, it should sweep. And it doesn't. The battery's good. We got a good 12 volts there. So actually with it turned on, you can actually, if you listen closely, it's doing something in there, but it's not sweeping. So I'll send this to the gentleman at the company and see if he has some suggestions.